Luis. Yeah, dude. I'm selling him a deal. Thank you, sir.
Like,
Done. All right.
Bang. I'll walk through. Let's go. We're going to show you guys the deal that we're looking to sell, and we're going to use Investorlift in the next 90 minutes to sell this deal. The first step to Investorlift is to post your deals. It's as simple as putting your address in there, your pictures, and your description, and you're ready to go. Once you post the deal, you're going to have a very professional and clean looking site like this. Once it hits our marketplace, we're going to see an organic traffic of buyers coming in. So we have around 500,000 active investors coming into our marketplace every single week, which means just by posting your property, you're going to see hundreds of buyers coming into your posting organically. This part of Investorlift is basically disposition on autopilot. All right, Steve.
Awesome.
You can take it away. What do we have here today?
Okay, so right now we've got two deals. I'm going to keep it right here for right now just to go through this insane deal, killer deal here in San Antonio. Someone's going to pick this thing up. We got some comps in the area, right? So one sold for 140, one sold for 142.5. Looking at the Zillow on these ones, I think Zillow's like 90 something thousand on it, and we're selling it for 60 grand. So there's definitely money to be made on this one. Same on the other one. So hey. Hey, what's going on? This is Steve. How are you?
Steve, good. How are you?
Good. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm reaching out because you had expressed some interest on a deal that I had here in San Antonio over on Knox Street.
Okay.
Do you remember taking a look at that?
Yeah, I was checking the information and I sent it over to the person that I had in San Antonio, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, we're wholesalers, or sometimes we keep them as rentals, or we fix and flip.
When you were looking at this one, what was the idea on this one? Were you looking to maybe connect it with a buyer, or were you looking to put it into your own portfolio?
My partner is in San Antonio.
Do you partner with him on flips here in San Antonio, or is it just kind of like a finder's fee type thing?
No, we partner in everything. Like, basically, I'm in charge of like finding the properties, and he takes care of everything else.
Got it. Okay. You know what? This one, I definitely want to get this to, someone that is going to, act pretty quick and, be pretty decisive about it. I know obviously you had to send it to him. He knows all the information here. I mean, is there any way you can give me his number, since you guys are partners, and, I can give him a call to see if we can push this thing through or see what his thoughts are? Okay, cool. And then what was his name? Luis Mata? Yeah, dude. I'm selling him a deal. How quick can you give me an answer on these?
Give me 20 minutes. I'll send it over to him.
All right. I know this buyer pretty well. I've sold them many deals, and I've always sold it through somebody else.
Steve, how are you doing?
Good, man. Good. How are you? We've got some deals out in 7-8, two of them right next to each other, kind of in your price point. As soon as I saw it, I was like, this is Bob's deal.
Email it to me.
Yeah. I can shoot you a text if you want with all the info, so you can just kind of click on and look through photos and everything. We're letting them go for 59 and 69.
Well, I'm always happy to take a look at something. So send it over to me, and we'll see what we can do.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Can I call you a little bit later today once you've taken a look at them to see if we can get like you or Alma out there to take a look, maybe tomorrow or early in the week?
I'm happy to take a look at it, but no commitments on a level of interest.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. I'll just follow up, man. And if you guys are interested, we'll go take a look at them, and we'll move forward, see if we can, make it work.
Sounds great, Steve. Thank you.
All right, brother. I appreciate it. Talk soon. So I sell him package deals like this all the time. He always tells me that. So I think that's a strategy of his. Like, you start to pick up these things on your buyers sometimes. He's always like, I don't know. He is one of those people that absolutely has to look at the property. So there is no like, I'm not calling this guy and selling it to him sight unseen. So, of course, didn't work out 100% the way that I wanted to, but that's usually how it goes with him. Now, like I told David earlier, I am going to utilize Artemis mode. So I'm going to do offer manual and offer created. Anybody that made an offer on a property nearby, I am going to prioritize 210 numbers. So I'm calling now. He vetted cash buyer single family. So he seems like he'd be the guy for a deal like this.
Oh,
Hey, Jeremy.
yeah. So who is it?
Hey, my name is Steve. Sorry, I'm giving you a call because I've got an off-market deal in here in San Antonio, and it looks like you're a pretty active investor kind of around that area. Are you guys still picking up any deals?
Yeah, we're always picking up deals over here in San Antonio. Can I get that address for it real quick? I'll pop it up.
Cool. And so San Antonio is a local market for you guys?
Yeah, I would say like San Antonio, Dallas, North Carolina, Fayetteville.
Oh, damn.
Area.
Okay. So are you like flipping virtually, or what's your business look like?
Yeah, we do all types of things. We do fix and flips, we do buy and hold, we do rental properties, Airbnbs.
Oh, nice. Okay. Cool. Cool. So these ones we could sell them separately or together, however that looks like. So we're letting them go for one for 59 and one for 69.
Yeah, from what it sounds like, I think it would not be something we would buy just because Dutch is really small.
What exactly are you guys looking for out in the San Antonio market?
We go for houses that will give us like a really good return. We run our numbers on stuff. I would say around maybe 140, 150, all the way up to, I would say, at least 300K.
We'll get something, man. We'll work together in the future.
Okay, got it. Sounds perfect.
All right, brother. Well, I appreciate the call, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, man. Man, this call is making me money down the road, dude. Hey, George.
Yes, Susan.
Hey, this is Steve. Sorry, I know it's kind of out of the blue, man. I'm reaching out because I see that you're a pretty active investor here in the San Antonio market. I was wondering if you guys are still picking up properties.
Not right now. My portfolio is full, but I appreciate it.
Okay. Well, do you know when you guys are going to start picking up again?
Not right now. I just got my hands full, so I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
for sure. And you guys are mostly doing like buy and holds whenever the time's appropriate, right? You guys are doing buy and holds. Is that kind of more or less what you guys are buying?
Correct.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. 100%. Real quick, would it be fair? Would it be fair if I gave you a call maybe
Yeah,
the beginning of next year to see if you guys are ready?
sure.
Okay.
Send me a text with your contact info, and that way I know who you are. We can touch. But
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of something right now.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I'll give you a call when I can, when it's appropriate. I appreciate it, brother. Have a good one. Nice try. Keeping you on the phone, man.
If it was me, a lot of the times I would probably give up on the second objections, like, oh, not right now. Then I'm like, all right, man, I'll just talk to you later. But Steve pushes them to kind of give them more, like kind of takes more information from them. But when you do buy and hold? When you do buy in this area? When will you be ready? Right? So like he's basically following his was it Bam Fam?
Bam fam. Yeah.
Book another call, like book another meeting for later. It's like when should I reach out to you?
And the thing is, with a guy like that, I'm gonna put him on my CRM and I'll give him a call probably the first week of January just to follow up. I mean, I'm not expecting, but again, that's just kind of a follow up to see what he buys, if he's ready, what that looks like. Here in the chat, it's Ryan said, I just got an inquiry and used the same structure with Bama, which I'm assuming she says Bam Fam, and got an appointment booked. So she just literally implemented some things right now and got an appointment booked. So that's killer. Good job. It works, man. Already getting value.
Here he is.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? We just picked up a deal that she had said something on, and it actually might be something you guys would be interested in. It's two deals right next to each other over on Knox Street in 78225.
Okay.
So we got one for 69, one for 59, both 2-1s around 700 square feet. What's up?
Am I going to get package deal on both or what?
Good. You could let me know, man.
Package deal on both.
I'm up for it. Yep, I'll call you tomorrow and we'll go take a look at them. All right. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Done. All right.
Bang. I'll walk through. Let's go.
I don't know if you guys like really kind of like listen to the ins and outs of that conversation, but he was just like, "What do you do? 2 for 100, 2 for 102, 2 for 105?" Like he's already kind of giving me an offer.
Yeah.
And we locked these up at 42.5, so that's 85 grand. So we're making 15. Again, these are little beaters, man. Like on deals like this, I do like to overshoot price, so that I can get an offer and then kind of walk down, so that. Especially on, and this is just my opinion, guys. Like y'all don't have to do what I do, but when it's a deal like this, no one's going to be super excited about buying it. You know what I mean? Because it is small house, kind of, neighborhood. But if they can, look at it and say, I'm interested enough, and then think that they, can drive me down on my price a little bit, I'm cool with doing that. And then at that point, I'm in more control because I know where we're at there, and I can kind of negotiate up if according to a big thing. And this is true too. So I don't lie to people, right? So I told them, like, me, man, like I'm down to renegotiate if I have to. Like I make deals happen. So if you, I just need an offer from you, something that you can commit to. So with that being said, I mean, he knows we're asking like 120 for it. He's gonna try to undercut us to 105, but at 105, we're making 20 grand. So
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cry about that. You know what I mean? So just kind of know that, play with that a little bit. There's a lot of different pricing strategies. Find one that you're comfortable with and roll with it.
Thank you, Steve. And we do have deal submissions on the dispoday.com page. So submit your deals there. Steve looks at them. He's gonna pick a lucky person to JV with for the next week. So keep
Mhm.
deal submissions coming, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Awesome. Thank you guys.